Hello, and today we're going to try and do columns in Microsoft Word, and just some of that sort of handy features that you will need to know. Probably the first one is everything we need, or mostly everything we need, is under layout. For example, generally for the newsletter, we possibly would turn the page to landscape. You'll notice most of the exercises will be in landscape mode. Sorry, my machine seems to be on a bit of a go slow there for some reason. There we go. And again, there's pretty much the one we want, which is columns. Okay. The other thing I also have here is the ruler line. If that's not on your machine, go to View, click on Ruler. But anyway, back to layout. The one mistake everybody makes is they'll see 3 columns or 2 columns and they just click these guys here. The problem we have is that this applies to the whole page, which isn't generally the case, as we'll have a look now in a second. So that's it. There's columns. Generally try not to use these guys. We'll actually have a bit more control by using this option down the bottom. We can apply 2 or 3 here, and again, this is where the problem generally starts, is it applies to the whole document. On occasion we would apply from this point forward or this section only. So let's have a bash at the exercise, the first exercise, which is board promotion, and let's see how we get on. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set it from this point forward and click OK. Now we've actually typed some of this text for you. It's available on Moodle, so you can download it. I'm going to do it section by section, so I'm just going to copy this bit in. And again, this is really just to show you another point. So there's our columns set up there. We can adjust them, change the margins here and there. And the first thing I want to do is I want to paste this in. Again, my computer's fighting with me. And the first thing we'll notice is that this board promotion feature over here is probably a slightly larger font, and it's also centered. Okay, now when I hit center, this is the problem. It's centered within this column here, whereas we actually want it centered in the main document. So i.e., this piece of text here is not to be in a column. This is very common, and again, if it happens, highlight your text, go to columns, go to more columns, say actually I don't want you in a column, i.e. 1, the selected text is only to be in no column or 1 column. Click OK, and you'll notice that it fixes itself. As I'm looking at the exercise, I'll flick back over and get the other paragraph again. You could probably try and do this all at once, but I'm just trying to prove a point as such. And I will insert it here. Now this actually has worked for us more by mistake than design. To get onto the next column, we have to insert a column break. So this bit is sort of important. To get onto the next bit, we have to insert a column break. This keeps all the text in line. So don't press enter, don't do anything else, any other methods you've done, but do insert a column break, and then that means I should be able to copy the next 2 paragraphs across. Copy, jump in there, and there we go. And again, insert a column break again is important to get to the next page, and that's where my help for this exercise has stopped. And I expect you guys to type the remainder of the text there. Hope this helps. Thanks so much. Bye bye.